Well, I found Eagle Tower at Peninsula State Park. My maps weren't loading, but I found this. There's my Jeep. Apparently there's a ship wrecked out past that island. So it's got this big walk down. So I'm gonna take the ramp down because I climbed up a bunch of stairs. I don't really want to do that again. This is Eagle Panorama. Let's check this out. That's pretty neat. We're at Nicollet Beach now. I'll probably come back here tomorrow, but I just wanted to check in and see if the camp store was open. Well, that was the beach. Well guys, we made it to the campsite. Cons, no service. I should really get a cell phone booster, like antenna thing. I gotta check into that. Beautiful weather. I'll probably just watch a movie tonight. Maybe chill outside for a while because it's still nice out. Unless it gets too buggy. But yeah. The only thing I'm complaining about service is I wanted to schedule maybe a kayak tour tomorrow and then kind of plan my day. Because there's nothing really to do at the campsite or close by. It's like a little bit of drive to everything. So I'm just gonna enjoy the night, not worry about anything. Yeah, just chill. Jeep looks good though. Alright, catch you later. What's up y'all? I totally forgot that I won a hammock from Nitto Tire on an Instagram giveaway. So shout out them first of all. And I'll set that. Good morning, y'all. I told you I wasn't gonna miss the sunset. Well, that was a few days ago, but I finally caught one. What is my hair doing? Yeah. We're at Welker's Point. Right, my campsite's right back behind that cabin. But yeah, we're out here enjoying the waves. It's a cool, crisp, like 60 degrees out, but feels nice. I got a busy day planned, I think. We'll see. I was checking how the water is. It's supposed to be the calmest in the morning. It's pretty calm, but I actually booked I booked a raft tour, and the only available time was 12:30, so that's like 7 hours from now. But yeah, hopefully that goes well. Hopefully we don't capsize and sink, but oh well. And then if I have time, I want to do Washington Island today. And go on the boat tour, or go on the ferry ride over to Washington Island. So we'll see if I have time and weather permitting. I think it's supposed to be like 75 and sunny today though, so should be good. See the bird. Ah, I wanted to be friends. I wanted to see what he's chewing on. Looks like a dead bird. His brother. Cannibal. Good morning, y'all. I was checking to see if it was still morning. It's 10:40. Come on, guys. But I do have that boat tour I'm going to, so I am gonna head to that right now. You know I had to get some stickers and stuff. I got a patch. I got 2 stickers. I like that one. And then I got a map, so I know where I'm going now. Yeah. Alright. I better get to that thingy. I just stopped at a firewood vending machine. This green one didn't work, but there's like lockers that you just unlock with your card. And it opened and gave me some wood, so it's 10 bucks a bundle, but the bundles are pretty decently sized, so. Alright guys, I'm in Ephraim, something like that. But I can tell that this is a pretty wealthy town. Everyone's dressed nice and has sailboats and stuff. And then, yeah, there's cars that I don't even know what are, so seems like a pretty wealthy town. Drove by a rich golf course. I don't even think I'd want to live here. People just seem smug. No, I'm just kidding. That's cool. Yeah, looks like a nice town though. Alright, we made it to Ellison Bay. Got some lemonade. Boat tour takes off. I thought it was 12. It was 12:30, but that's okay. We got here on time. But yeah, it's like a raft with a motor, so it should be fun. Waters don't look too bad. Pretty mellow actually, so should be a good day.
They've been raising money for quite some time. This is almost a 200. Right, so welcome to Pilot Island. Pilot Island wasn't so they blasted a hole. Have you been to Northport? Because that was who had it. This was mid-1850s, like mid-1800s. You didn't have the same population that we do now, right? Like, towns weren't at the same size. Does that kind of make sense?
I decided to try and squeeze on the ferry. We'll see. Hopefully I can make it back, otherwise I guess I can camp on the island. I was the second to the last one on. We started moving as soon as I put it in park, I swear. This is honestly the biggest reason why I wanted to come here. It's a Nordic church, Nordic stavkirke. Pretty neat, I'd say. Pretty neat. Lavender farm. Wish you guys could smell this. Alright guys, just got done at the lavender farm. But I picked up some loaded caramel ice cream. That's so good. Now I'm gonna try and do a hike and then get back to the boat already. But yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Ever seen a Cybertruck on an island? I bet you haven't. Now I'm doing the mountain park hike up to a lookout tower. Probably not the best thing to do after eating ice cream. See Lake Michigan way off there. Pretty neat. By the way, this isn't, it's pretty easy. Only like 100 stairs total, including the tower, or something like that, so everyone can do it.
Making it boom up the side of the stool. Young and my gunner, he know what he do. Shot at my shot, I tell her come through. Fuck about that bitch, I do. Pull up, jump out with that stick and I shoot. Go to war up about my bitch. I keep the bitch on drugs. I'ma make the bitch drink mud. I'ma keep the bitch out of clubs. I go to war.
There's a lavender farm again. What's up, y'all? I pretty much saw everything I wanted to see here on Washington Island. I got to do the Nordic church, I got to do the hike, and I got to do the lavender farm. And then I stopped and got some food at the Albatross Drive-In. I got a burger and I got some cheese fries. So those look good. But I figured I'd take it to go because the last ferry here leaves at 6. It's 4:52 and there's a long line. So there's a 5 o'clock, a 5:30, and a 6. So hopefully I can make one of those. There is a lot of cars waiting, but if I can't make it, I'll just stay the night here somewhere. I got my tent with me, so that's a good thing about bringing your tent on top of your vehicle. You can just stop anywhere, but yeah, so worst comes to worst, I just spend the night on the island. Don't seem too bad. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. People in the raft, like my raft tour, were kind of talking down on this. Even the like raft person. But I mean, it's worth it for me just to ride on the ferry. I don't get a lot of excitement. I'm from Iowa, so it was like $40 some for me and the Jeep to go across and come back. So not too bad. Yep. I'm just gonna be chilling here eating my burger if you need me. Hey guys, I'm not over landing anymore. I'm over watering. Over laking. I'm so dumb.